Hi, I'm Jenny with Coco Daisy, and in this video we are unboxing the sticker kits and all of the extras from the August 2025 Flutterby Collection. There are some beautiful stickers included in the Flutterby Collection, so let's go ahead and check them out. I'm going to start with the calendar sticker kit. This fits in our Weeks notebook, and it also fits in a Hobonichi Weeks planner. These are really versatile. You can see there are the date covers, the days of the weeks, the little boxes, all of the things for your monthly view in your Hobonichi Weeks or to use in your Weeks notebook. We also have our Daisy Weeks sticker kit. So this sticker kit also works in our Daisy Weeks notebook or in a Hobonichi Weeks calendar. So we have the day of the week stickers and then all of these icons, so many really great icons. We have some of these long rectangular boxes. There are some others, including trackers and then the decorative bits and pieces. We have the boxes, both decorative and then functional ones. There are some decorative stickers and then also these headers and trackers. And then we have a sheet of our vellum stickers that are decorative as well. So you have the little boxes, the dates, and then the strips that are essentially like skinny washi tape. So that is the Daisy Weeks sticker kit. We have our memory keeping sticker kit. First is a 3x4 sheet of vellum stickers that have like different prompts, those types of things. And then these stickers, the boxes are 2 inches wide and they fit in the Daisy planner or also like a big happy planner, like an 8.5 by 11 vertical planner. So you can see we have boxes, label stickers, and then strips that work beautifully as you would use washi tape. Then we have another sheet of these beauties. Plus there are the little strips that work great for adding to photos or all kinds of different things. We have date stickers, label stickers, and then some more strip stickers. A sheet of beautiful decorative stickers, alphabet stickers. And then we also have a sheet of vellum stickers that have a wide variety of images and beautiful phrases as well. Next up is our Daisy add-on sticker kit. And this is not specific to any particular project or planner. They're just a kit of stickers. So first up, we have a bunch of images and then a handful of summer-related phrases. Some larger decorative stickers, a couple of labels, and a couple of tabs. A gingham print alphabet sticker, and then also a sheet of the vellum stickers that have the strips at the bottom as well. We have our planner sticker kit that first comes with the little 3x4 sheet of dot stickers. And then we have the box stickers, and these are approximately 1.5 inches wide. And so that works great in, say, a classic happy planner or the standard size Erin Condren planner, anything that has vertical columns that are 1.5 inches wide. There is a very functional sheet full of checklists and trackers, and then also dates. A sheet of boxes and labels plus hydration stickers. A full sheet of beautiful decorative stickers. We have labels, we have hexagons, and then we have all of the great headers plus these phrases, menu planning, grocery shopping, things like that. And a sheet of our vellum stickers that include a whole lot of strips and then some watercolor brush stickers. We have our classic cousin sticker kit, and this sticker kit, the boxes are the width of the columns in a Hobonichi Cousin A5 planner. And so if you're using the weekly view in those planners, these will fit the width perfectly. So we have some beautiful decorative stickers plus some boxes. Same thing here, just different stickers and a different type of box. We have some trackers and some checklists, and then also those fun functional phrases. A sheet of decorative plus the little summer related phrase stickers. Days of the week, icons, and then those great headers. Plus we also have some alphabet stickers, some strip stickers, and some date stickers. And finally, we have our vellum sticker sheet, which has all of the beautiful art and strips printed on the vellum sticker paper. And our last sticker kit this month is our Bible journaling sticker kit. So we have a full sheet of beautiful decorative stickers. We have a sheet that is very varied. So you have the different phrases in both the colorful and the white, plus some label stickers, a sheet of strips, and then also some date stickers, a sheet of different shape labels, some alphabet stickers, and then also a sheet of vellum stickers that have both the watercolor, but then also have the different verses on them as well. So those are all of our Flutterby sticker kits, and you can subscribe to all of those on CocoDaisy.com. Let's dive right on into our stunning Flutterby dashboards. The beauty of the dashboards is that when you subscribe to these, you receive both the dashboards in personal size and also in A5 size. They are exactly the same. They are just scaled for the different proportions of those two sizes. I'm going to go ahead and flip through the A5 so you can see the art better. However, remember the personal are exactly the same. So you have a beautiful monthly view. Oh, look at how gorgeous this one is. Create Beauty. Very simple and beautiful. These are all a nice heavy weight. You can use them as dashboards, but you can also use them as art. You can use them in your scrapbooking or your journaling. Lots of different options for these. This would be great in a junk journal layout. So beautiful. And then the last one is this line art with the pink splatters and the phrase, "There is beauty in things that grow wild and unplanned." So when you subscribe to the dashboards, you receive these A5, as I already said, and then you also receive the personal size. So you receive 12 dashboards to use in all of your projects. The next thing we're going to take a look at is our stamp subscription. It is a great one this month. Don't you love this so much? It's super cute. This stamp set is called Bumble, and it is a 4x6 alphabet stamp, and you can see it comes in our beautiful heavy-duty storage sleeve, and then you receive this great alphabet stamp set. It's all capital letters, as you can see, and they are going to be a great way to get some beautiful color on your projects if you choose to use the colored inks. I highly recommend the ones that we carry in the shop from the Stamp Market. They are great. Okay, our last subscription we're going to take a look at is our pouch. This month it is stunning. It is the nice off-white material with a light pink tassel, and then the back side we have this beautiful art as well. The pouches are a nice large size. You can see here, I'm going to put the dashboards and this stamp set in there so you can see. You can fit so many wonderful things in your pouch each month. So I like to use these not only for planner supplies or other things like that. I love to use them for things that I'm taking on the go. So you can see the A5 dashboards fit in there beautifully, and then I can still put in my stamp set, the other dashboards. So many wonderful supplies will fit in here. These are just a fantastic size. So you can subscribe to the pouch on our website as well. Now that's the last subscription item, but I do have one more thing to show you. We do have a brand new die set this month, and it's called Butterflies Are Blooming. So you can see that it comes with 6 different individual dies, a handful of butterflies, and then a long skinny tag, plus 2 little leaf patterns, if you will. They're so lovely, and they are going to accent this month's kits and artwork beautifully. So again, this is an a la carte set. You can buy this separately and have it ship to you with your other subscriptions.